about flipping furniture is that with old vintage furniture, if it was made before 1978, it's likely or possible that it was used with a lead-based paint in 1978. Lead-based paint was actually outlawed because they found the dangers of it, things like that. So if you buy vintage, you want to make sure that the paint isn't lead-based. There are things you can do if it's not chipping or anything like that. You can seal it with a polyurethane to block the lead, but at the same time, if you've got kids or little ones that can be touching or eating it, or there's a possibility that the paint could chip, you are imposing a risk. So it's best that when you buy vintage to test for lead. And how you can do that is Lowe's sells these lead test kits. They're an instant kit. It is $10 for the kit, and it comes with 2 little swabs. So it's really easy. All you have to do, according to the directions, is crush points A and B, and then shake. And then squeeze. I'm going to test this piece behind us because it is a 1950s kitchen hutch, so we're just going to double check. Shake twice and squeeze gently until the yellow liquid comes out the tip. And swab it for 30 seconds. Okay, so we just did our swab test. I'm not sure how much of it was actually recorded because the camera stopped recording, so I'm going to do it again. Basically, you squeeze points A and B on your swab kit. The yellow liquid will come out. And then you rub on your piece of furniture for 30 seconds. And if the tip turns red, then lead is present. This one didn't. It's brown, which says that red is, tip turns red or pink, lead is present. So definitely didn't turn red or pink, so we're safe with this piece of furniture. Because I do have a little one, it is a big concern that older vintage pieces might have lead-based paint, so I always want to test and make sure that the pieces don't have lead base or any kind of thing that would be dangerous or toxic to my little one or anyone in the family. I haven't yet got a lead-based piece, so hopefully that won't happen. That is one advantage to buying some newer pieces, is that I don't have to worry about that, and then I can just make them look like they're vintage, but they're not really. Anyway, that's our lead testing kit.
Found out about it on Twitter. Guess I should pay more attention when there's tornadoes around. They see me rolling. They hate it.